Welcome to the world of AI technology, where the possibilities are endless. In this video, we will explore the latest AI technology and its uses. One of the latest AI technologies is GPT-3. It is a language processing model that generates natural language text, almost indistinguishable from human writing. This technology is being used to create chatbots that can converse with customers, improving customer service and support. AI-assisted medical diagnosis is another emerging technology that uses AI algorithms to analyze medical images and patient data, helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses. Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars, are another area where AI technology is making significant strides. By analyzing data from sensors, cameras, and other sources, these vehicles can make decisions and operate without human intervention. Natural language processing is an AI technology used to understand human language. It is being used in the development of virtual assistants, like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. AI-powered robots are being used in manufacturing to perform repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. AI is also being used in scientific research, such as drug discovery, where AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential treatments for diseases. AI technology is being used to create immersive experiences in virtual and augmented reality, improving training, education, and entertainment. As you can see, AI technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and its uses are vast and varied. From customer service to medical diagnosis, manufacturing, and scientific research, the potential of AI technology is limitless. The future is here, and it is exciting.